Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hari ni Aysha nak cakap pasal the history of 3D printing. Print your dreams into reality with Gaya Pebble. So selama ni kita cakap 3D print that, 3D print this, tapi kita orang tahu ke the backstory of 3D printing? So the first 3D printer was invented in the 1980s by Shahar. Shahar ni kita dah cakap in the last video, but hari ni kita more in depth lah on why he invented the first 3D printer. Charles Shahar, born May 12, 1939 in Colorado, was the first person to officially invent a 3D printer. The first 3D printer that he invented was the SLA printer. So korang mesti tanya, kenapa tiba-tiba dia nak invent 3D printer ni? For what, you know? So dia sebenarnya dulu kerja di satu company yang buat UV light, ataupun diorang guna UV light tu nak buat architecture. Then dia terfikir, what if we use this light nak buat something macam printing? So sebenarnya Mamat Shahar ni wasn't the first person yang jumpa 3D printing ni. Dia selama dia cari-cari apa semua, he found out that ada mamat Jepun ni, dia cuba buat juga 3D printer tapi tak jadi. Lepas tu dia tinggalkan macam tu. Lala ada mamat France ni, dia pergi main-main, dia tak tahu nak buat apa, dia tinggalkan juga. So after dia dah ambil dah semua input, apa yang betul, apa yang salah, apa kesilapan dorang sebelum ni, dia eventually dapat buat 3D printer yang working 100%. And the first printer yang dia buat is SLA. So selepas berapa tahun dia dah testing, trial dengan bos dia apa semua pasal 3D printing ni, dia start jual dia punya 3D printer. The first 3D printer dia jual was for the price of $100,000. So korang mesti fikir, mahal no, printer dulu kan. Tapi sekarang dah murah sebab kita dah variety banyak. So the penggunaan of 3D printer is more common now and banyak orang guna daripada dulu. The first person yang Shahar ni jual 3D printer tu is to a medical team yang buat research untuk print human organ. Produk yang medical team tu dapat print betul-betul precise was dental implant. So sampai sekarang pun sebenarnya guna nak buat gigi palsu, ada orang print braces juga. Then in the 1990s, orang start eksperimen cara nak guna untuk prostetik. And we are still experimenting on it now. So 3D printing ni dah ada within our knowledge for more than 40 years. Tapi dia punya growth tu tak adalah sebanyak mana as we expected in 40 years. Sekarang kita still trying to figure out how to use it in prosthetics betul-betul. We're still trying to figure out how to print organs with precise and yang boleh guna. So kita still have a lot of learning to do. Tapi despite apa benda semua yang kita tak dapat buat lagi, we have grown so much with the technology of 3D printing. Kita punya 3D printer lagi banyak variety sekarang. Ada yang murah, ada yang mahal. Ada yang orang guna nak buat hobi macam benda ni. Ada orang guna buat medical like what the first 3D printer was made to do. So we can all see that 3D printing ni actually banyak lagi potential dia. And we have so much more to learn and so much more we can do dengan 3D printing. So, jom kita belajar sama-sama dengan Gaya Pebbles. That's all from me today. Bye guys!